Alright, today we're going to be making lamb chops from Stanley Tucci's Taste. So to get started, you're going to want in between 8 to 12 lamb chops. Now you can buy them already cut, but here I got a French cut rack of lamb and I'm going to be trimming it myself. First, we're going to cut around that fat cap and any excess fat around the bones, then we're going to cut into individual chops. Now at the base, we're also going to trim as this fat is not going to provide any great flavor and it's going to clean it up a little bit for presentation. Once your lamb chops are ready, Tucci then writes to season with some kosher salt about an hour before cooking. Now for some additional prep, we're going to take 3 garlic cloves and we're going to cut in half and then take a teaspoon of fresh rosemary and fresh thyme. Now Tucci doesn't describe what to do with these, but I decided to chop just to get a little bit extra flavor out of them. Then we're going to take a large cast iron skillet and over low heat add a little bit of olive oil and we're going to cook the halved garlic for about 3 minutes. This is going to pull that flavor out of the garlic and allow us to cook the lamb in the garlic oil. Now crank the heat to medium high and we're going to cook these lamb chops for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. And we're going to have to do this in 2 batches as we don't want to overcrowd the pan when cooking. The most important thing here is to make sure we get a great sear on the chops, so they should lift up from the pan when they're ready to go. Once finished, we're going to put them on the plate and leave them off to the side. Once all your lamb is finished cooking, you're going to let the pan cool for a few minutes before you add half a cup of a dry white wine, a 1/3 cup water, and you're going to simmer for a little bit and deglaze. Then we're going to return the garlic to the pan along with our chopped herbs and you're going to cook for about a minute or until the sauce has started to thicken up a little bit. Then you're immediately going to transfer that sauce from the cast iron to our plate of lamb and we're going to cover it with that sauce as evenly as possible. Then we're going to take some aluminum foil and we're going to tent this for about 5 minutes. Once finished, your lamb should be tender and glistening with that beautiful sauce and then we're going to move directly to plating. So depending on chop size, I would recommend doing 3 to 4 per person and remember to add that sauce on top of each of the chops, then garnish with some extra rosemary. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.